Imagine a group of friends keeping track of expenses during a trip. Every time someone pays for food, fuel, or tickets, it's written down in a shared notebook. Once an entry is made, no one is allowed to erase or secretly change it, and everyone has a copy of the same notebook. That way, there is no confusion, no arguments, and complete trust. Hi, I am Satish Chaudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today, let's explore blockchain, the technology that is redefining how we store trust and truth in the digital world. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it nearly impossible to cheat or tamper with. At its simplest, it is a digital ledger, a record book that's duplicate across many computers. Every new entry is added as a block linked to the previous one, forming a chain. Since everyone has the same copy, no single person can secretly alter the past. In simple terms, blockchain is a trust machine. Think of blockchain like the old accounting ledger kept by a shopkeeper in a small town. Every transaction, like who bought rice, who paid, or who still owns money, is carefully written down. Once ink hits the page, it can't be erased without leaving a mark. Now imagine instead of the shopkeeper only, the entire customers also have a copy of the same book. If someone tried to cheat by changing their page, the rest of the community would immediately see the mismatch. That's how blockchain works. A permanent, shared record that everyone can trust. Let's break down the name itself, blockchain. A block is like a page in that ledger. Each block contains a group of records, for example, a list of transactions. Once a block is filled, it's locked, stamped with a unique digital print and linked to the block before it. All these blocks together form the chain, a continuous timeline of records where nothing can be rearranged or erased. If you go back and try to change one block, its fingerprint changes and the whole chain falls apart, which immediately exposes the fraud. Now who makes sure the chain stays safe? That's where nodes come in. A node is just a computer connected to the blockchain network. Every node has a full copy of the chain, and whenever a new block is added, all the nodes check and agree that it's valid. This teamwork is what keeps blockchain secure without needing a single boss or central authority. Imagine a classroom where children are collecting stars for good behavior. Instead of only the teacher writing it on the board, every child writes their stars in their own notebook. If one child tries to sneak in an extra star, the others quickly notice that their notebook doesn't match. To keep it fair, they all agree on the correct score before moving forward. That's how blockchain works. It's like everyone keeping the same score together, making cheating nearly impossible and fairness automatic. Most people immediately connect blockchain with Bitcoin, and yes, it is a technology that makes digital money possible. It allows people to send and receive currency securely without depending on a bank in the middle. But that's only one piece of the picture. Think about food in supermarket. When you pick up a box of mango or spinach, how do you know where it really came from? Companies are now using blockchain to track food from the farm through transport all the way to the store shelf. If there is a safety issue, they can trace it back in seconds instead of days. In healthcare, imagine never having to repeat the same test at different hospitals or carry your medical files around. With blockchain, your medical history can be stored in one secure record where only you and the doctors you allow can access it. It also changes how agreements work. With what's called a smart contract, payments can be automatic. For example, if a freelancer finishes a project, the contract itself can release the payment right away. No waiting, no chasing invoices. And then there is ownership. Digital files like artwork, music, or even items inside a video game can be copied endlessly. Blockchain makes it possible to prove which one is original and who really owns it. That's where things like NFTs or non-fungible tokens come in. They give creators a way to sell and protect digital work the same way a signature proves a painting is authentic. Now, blockchain is not perfect. Some early systems used huge amount of electricity to keep themselves secure. But newer versions are finding greener, smarter ways to run. And while many people think blockchain is completely anonymous, the reality is little different. Your personal name may be hidden, but the actual transactions are visible to everyone. That's what makes the system transparent by design. So in simple terms, a block is a page of records, the chain is the timeline that locks them together, and nodes are the computers that keep everyone honest. Put them all together and you get a blockchain, a shared, permanent and trustworthy record system that's more than just Bitcoin. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make complicated simple. Thank you.